What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We back in my bathroom one more again, and I just gotta say thank y'all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias. Kamsahamnida. Arigato. Merci. Just thank you everyone who subscribed to this channel thus far, and thank you to the people who have viewed, because we reached 100,000 views about a month or two ago, but just last week we reached 1,000 subscribers, and we're still going. And I would have made a video sooner to kind of celebrate this milestone, but I was actually out of town and I had no way to upload it because, okay, so long story short.
At my grandma's house because my great grandmother had passed, and so I had been asked to play for the funeral, so I had to fly down there last Monday, and then I drove back with my mom on Friday, back up here at Wichita. And so, yeah, I would have uploaded it then, but yeah, my grandma don't have Wi-Fi, and so she don't know what Wi-Fi is. She knows internet, but she don't really know about it. But I just didn't have any way to like upload a video if I made one or whatever. So I just decided to wait until I got back, wait until like I was done with all the busyness. As soon as I got back, I did more stuff at work and church today. So
I'm finally getting out this video to tell everyone just thank you. I appreciate all the comments that you guys are leaving in the comment section below. I appreciate all the positive feedback, even the criticisms, because I take those into account too. And it's like, I mean, you gotta take the good with the bad. So I appreciate everything you guys are throwing, talking about like how creative the hairstyles are. I'm glad that you guys are enjoying the content that I'm creating. And I'm also happy that you guys are asking questions too, because that gives me even more stuff to feed off of. And it kind of lets me know what's the type of stuff that you guys want to see. From what I can tell, you guys love the hair tutorial videos a lot. So I'm gonna try and do more of those. Everything else, I don't know. If there's any other type of content besides like style tutorials, let me know if you guys want to see more stuff like that. If not, then don't say anything, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I can't believe 1,000 subscribers. A small number, yeah, but like in the grand scheme of it, like I didn't necessarily think that it was gonna get to that number when I started this channel, but I'm happy it's gotten there, so thank you so much. Give you guys a round of applause. A little whoop, 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 whoop. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys for hanging in there. I kind of am waiting. I kind of want to do a giveaway of some type of thing, but I will wait until we reach 2,500 subscribers, which hopefully will be maybe in a year. I know it's like an extended goal. It's like a long ways away. My Twitter, my Snapchat, and my Instagram is all in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Leave any questions in the comment section, comments if you got any. And don't forget to subscribe. That's kind of the whole reason why we got to this point. So subscribe if you're coming back. Yeah, that's basically it. Just again, thank you all for sticking with this and keeping it locked on this channel for as long as you have. And thank you all for watching every Monday, even though I don't post every Monday. But thank you all for just being dedicated to it and watching and giving me things to work on. So here's to the next 1,000 or more subscribers and more months of doing Locs stuff. So till next time, till next week, guys, I'll come with you another video in a little bit. And until then, peace. Thanks for the 1,000. Woo woo!